In this module, we are going to talk about modernization theory. This theory is attributed to one of the most influential theories after the collapse of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, popularly known as USSR. It aims to find reasons behind the failure of poor countries to evolve in the modern societies, reduce the spread of communism, promote capitalism, present capitalism as solution to poverty. Motives: deepening poverty in some countries in the post World War II era, because most of the European and Western nations became depleted economically in the consequence of the World War II. Ideological competition between capitalism and communism, because the world was divided into two blocks after the Second World War, in socialist bloc and capitalist bloc. Capitalist bloc was led by US, and socialist bloc was led by the former Soviet Union. Unrest and chaos in some countries. The theory was developed by the US economists and policymakers as capitalism was threatened. So NATO came into existence for confining the impact of communism in Eastern Europe or other in the Western Europe. Modernization theory explains the process of modernization, progressive transform transition from a pre-modern or traditional to a modern society. Modernization theory claims that traditional societies will develop as they adopt more modern practices. Rostow presented five stages of economic growth in 1960 and claims that all countries must pass through these stages to become developed. Stage 1: traditional society, in which what was happening? Poverty, primary production, traditional values, barter system means that if you want to buy anything, you have to give one product and buy another product. So this product exchange is known as barter system. For example, if you want to buy sugar, you have to give an amount of uh, grains or wheat to that person for buying sugar. Agriculture based economy. Stage 2: transitional society. What happened in that? Developed infrastructure, surplus, specialization of work, Western aid for development projects, industrial investment. Stage 3: take off. Started taking off in this stage. Industrialization, political change, growing investment, regional growth. Stage 4: drive to maturity. In the previous one, they were taking off, and now at the fourth stage, they are driving to maturity. Innovation, diversification, increased investment, self sufficiency. And Rusto says the fifth stage is regarding high mass consumption. Consumer Consumer oriented approach, durable goods, services sector became more dominant, increased mass consumption. Owing to the technological sophistication and increased interconnectedness, people started knowing that they have to be very much concerned about quality of products.